Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the new BOXYCHARM sneak peek for August 2019. Yep, we had one more added yesterday, and I always like to come on and let you guys know what it's all about. So we're going to take a look at this in a little short video. But first, I want to remind anybody watching what BOXYCHARM is. BOXYCHARM is a monthly beauty subscription box. It'll cost you $21 a month, which includes your shipping fee. You'll receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items based on your beauty quiz. These items will be valued at least $100. And this month, if you join, you'll receive, if you join before the end of the month, you will receive a Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment mask. This product sells for $42 at Sephora. And if you have sensitive skin, don't worry. This product is for all skin types, normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. What it is? It's a 60-second facial mask that refines pores and evens your skin tone, leaving skin smooth and soft in as little as 60 seconds. So, Boxy doesn't always offer a product for new subscribers. So if you're on the fence, ready to join, I think July is a great time to get in. We have a great August box coming up, as you'll see. This pore refining treatment mask is $42. That's a value worth your first 2 months of $21. Now's the time. Also, if that's not enough, Boxy has come out and said if you join right now, you can customize your August box by picking one of your products. This is offered to just a few people right now. We got to customize our Boxy Luxe, but not our BOXYCHARM box yet. So any new subscriber can pick one product that they know they want. So this product would be from any variation products, because we know for sure some of the products we're getting in the box, you would get to pick one customization product from a variation product. So this is the time to join. I will have the link below. All you do is click on it. It's very easy. And at Kendi Jane Beauty, if you're not a subscriber, now's the time to subscribe, because for this month's giveaway, it's still time to get in. We're giving away the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palettes. 2 people will win. We have the full-size palette and also the mini. So if you want to get in, the rules and regulations are all listed below. Click on it and make sure you read them really good, and it's very easy to get in. Okay guys, I'm thinking about August. Any suggestions for my August giveaway? I have some products that I will add to it from the Boxy pop-up, but I want to get something new, a new palette. I was looking at the ColourPop palettes, all the different colors. If you have any suggestions for your giveaway clue, just put them at the end of your comment, and I'll take that as a, if you don't have a, if you want to go with whatever I get, say whatever you get is fine. Before we get into that first sneak peek, I want to show you a little clip that Joe put out yesterday.
Alright guys, so the first sneak peek for August is the Becca. Alright, it's the Becca setting powder. It comes in 2 different shades, deep for dark and light skin tone. And then we have the Peach and Lily or the Tarte. Okay, one of the 2. And the third one is the Wonder Glow Ahead, which it is, let me show you over here. So it is actually an oil for the face. Okay, illuminating face oil. So now you know 3 of the items that are going to be in the box so far.
Sneak peek number 1 is from the brand Becca Cosmetics. It's the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This powder sells for $39. You get 0.35 of an ounce or 10 grams. This comes in 2 shades, either original, which is a sheer creamy beige, or golden bronze, which is soft, warm, and tan. This is an ultra translucent setting powder that sets makeup for extended wear with a revitalizing mist-like effect on the skin. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like effect and sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Ultra-fine, light-reflecting powders float over the skin to smooth and blur the look of fine lines and imperfections. Reapply it as needed to keep makeup looking fresh all day. This product is an Allure Best of Beauty winner. I have a mini sample of this powder and have been trying it to see the difference. I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder a lot, and what's different with this powder, it has those little light reflecting particles in it that kind of make your skin look blurred out. But it's an expensive powder. You don't get much, so I use my high-end powders for when I'm going somewhere special, and I use my Maybelline Fit Me for like everyday use. But it really makes your face look beautiful. Sneak peek number 2 is a variation product. The first variation is from Tarte. It's the Big Ego Vegan Mascara. This sells for $23. This mascara is vegan. That means the ingredients, components, and final product are not made with animal products. It does not say it's cruelty-free, which means it's not tested on animals. Let your lashes be full of themselves. Boost your lash volume. Okay, what is different about this mascara and what does it do? It's a vegan lash-loving formula. It's hashtag plant powered by Babasu to nourish and condition lash hair. The Confidence Booster Brush mimics the curves of your lash line to build volume from root to tip. Its buildable, clump-free formula allows for multiple coats. It's got a twisted double fiber bristle brush that delivers maximum pigments. It's got a twisted double fiber bristle brush delivers maximum pigments. Its twisted double fiber bristle brush delivers maximum pigment load. It's got an ultra black formula that coats each and every lash for extra length, extra volume, and the best lashes of your life. Big 2 Variation 2 is from the brand Peach and Lily. It's the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. For $39, you get 1.35 of an ounce. Go makeup and filter free with this, quote, super juice serum, which delivers everything you need for picture perfect skin. Expertly blended with potent earthborn and high-tech beautifying ingredients, you'll uncover skin that is poreless, translucent, and luminous like a pane of glass. Silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing, Peach and Lily's Glass Skin Refining Serum helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, delivering more dramatic results with continued use. Now, this product claims to really make your skin look good. It's recommended for people who have dullness and uneven skin tone, rough skin texture, wrinkles, fine lines, sagging, dehydrated skin, and it also helps redness and inflammation. Wow, this really looks like a great product. And if you watched my other video about Peach and Lily's, you know that it stems in Korean skincare roots. Now, some people had an email to be able to customize their August box. I don't know how people are getting this, if they're just randomly testing it. Eventually, we will be able to customize at least one item in each one of our boxes. And Boxy says this is soon. So I think what they're doing, they're trickling it out. seeing, testing the waters, testing the computer system, and eventually we will all get this email every month. Sneak peek number 3 is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This sells for $42. I remember this being a sneak peek months ago. Bring out your skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity, while a potent blend of our signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. If you have sensitive skin, Wander Beauty recommends a patch test on the inner arm or neck prior to use. If skin turns red, do not continue. Castor and black currant seed oil help restore skin's natural moisture balance. Niaminoside helps even skin tone and retains moisture, always free of parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and mineral oil. A darker skin tone, it will eventually lighten up your skin some. This is a great little product. I'm anxious to try it out. So our August box is shaping up. There's 2 possibilities here. You can either get the powder, mascara, and oil, and you'll have a value of $104, or you can get the powder, serum, and oil and have a value of $120, and that's 3 products. We could receive 1 or 2 more products, so this is looking like a really good box. I want to show you some more little things that were going on at Boxy that I happened to capture.
Okay, Charmers, as you can see, we're not in our offices right now. We are at this Ulta location in Santa Monica, and I want to show you what's going on inside. This is sickening. Hey Charmers! So we're with the Boxy team, and we're today here at Ulta in Santa Monica, where we're having an activation event with Elemis at their skin bar, and guess who else is here? JD Wavy!
Hey babes, I just got to Ulta. I'm here with BOXYCHARM and Elemis, and I'm going to be doing some skincare consultations, so let's go ahead and get started. Hi Charmers!
Boxy was in California, so they decided to go to this Element event at Ulta. I showed you this. I thought it was neat, and I just wanted to remind you guys that in your July box, you got a coupon for a flash facial, which you'll get $10 off at the Ulta Skin Bar. This will expire on August the 3rd. So I would call and make an appointment. They can do 2 treatments on you, and I think this $10 probably covers the 2 treatments. If you want to do more, I guess it would be more, but if you're interested in using this coupon, I would definitely call and make an appointment, because August the 3rd is right around the corner. Now, they also attended another function. Here's a little clip of that.
Hi Charmers! We're still in LA, and we're actually at the Dose of Colors pop-up to help them celebrate their Meet Your Hue foundation collection. I'm super excited to go in, foundation match, and see what other goodies they have in store. So let's go inside.
We keep seeing the association of BOXYCHARM with Dose of Colors, and we have yet to see more in the box. I hope to see more soon. They were at the launch of the new Dose of Colors foundation. The foundation is out. The Dose of Colors foundation Meet Your Hue can only be purchased right now at doseofcolors.com. On August the 4th, you'll be able to purchase it at Ulta. But anyways, I hope we see more Dose of Color products in Boxy, and I think this is just showing you their association with certain brands, that you will be seeing more of these brands in your box, like Elemis and Dose of Colors. We'll continue to watch any sneak peeks that come out. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe. Hit that like button if you liked my video, and until I see you guys again, take care. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.